I went through this because they thought I was a bad person. I I I already covered this. I already covered this, man. Um, damn. I went through this because they thought I was a bad person. So the other guy, who's a powerful entity, said, gaslight. He began to describe what gaslighting is. Not elaborate to describe. Yeah, yeah. He began to give an explanation of what gaslighting is and so on. And like, I still didn't get it. You know what I mean? I still didn't get it when I was in the hospital. So fast forward now. Had a mom say to me, um, you did a lot of bad stuff, and she did a lot of bad stuff. Bitch, what fucking bad stuff? Like, give, like, the universe have to grant me the intelligence of when somebody is talking. If somebody's speaking unintelligently, I need to correct them. I don't care if I correct them by shouting, cussing them the fuck out. I have to address it right there and then. I'd be like fucking Mika. The guy come with a fucking "Make America Great" hat again. She like, you know what I mean? And I'm just trying to fucking ignore him and shit. I'm carrying on a conversation, carrying on my conversation and stuff. You know what I mean? This shit is not going away, man. This shit is not going away. Yeah, nigga, get me out of here, yo. Get me out of here. Give me, either give me the intelligence to speak authoritatively and tell these cocksuckers what time it is right there and then. Give me the courage, even though I know that a cop is gonna beat me the fuck up. Let me have that courage to stand right fucking there, stand my fucking ground, and cuss him the fuck out. Give me the courage when I go in the courtroom. Yes, bing. When I go in the fucking courtroom, I could cuss that fucking judge out. Cuss him the fuck out. Thrones are fucking thrones and don't have the capacity to understand. Like, you fucking say to me, don't stop them. But they still have me on the fucking arrested. My fucking wrist hurt, man, shit, man. In court, the first thing I'm gonna say is that my wife is gonna die. That's the first thing I'm gonna say, and then I'm gonna shut up.